Alright, do you want me to hold your gun because you're going to lose?
Alright, probably should put my pistol down.
Okay. Alright, round one. Begin. Ooh.
Oh, I thought I got him.
No, that means you did.
Oh, wait.
You have 1 point.
Oh, I thought you pointed at me like I was dead. Okay, sorry.
Nope. Round two. Begin.
I think we both got each other there. I think we got each other there.
Do it again, but differently. Hang on.
Oh, God.
Begin. Now.
Ooh.
Oh, so close. Hold. Make a hold. There's a hole. Okay. There's a hole in the bottom of the seat.
Rick, use to your advantage. Go.
No, thank you.
Wait. Now resume. Sorry, wait. It's gonna be this way.
Oh, neck.
Hold. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
good.
I was going for your chest.
It happens. It happens all the time. Continue.
Did I get him there?
Remove his entrails.
Got him. What did you give me?
One. That looked like 1-1 to me.
All right, it's fine.
All right. 2-1.
God.
Begin.
Oh. You made the bees come out my mat.
Sorry. Hey.
Good job.
Good game.
Good game, man.
All right. Here you go. Give me the stick.
Whew. That is a lot harder than it looks. Wow.
Do you want them for walk tricks?
I'm good.
Okay.